What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the first review of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra was published by a verified insider. The camera received the most notable improvements. The Samsung Galaxy S23 line is set to make a big splash in the smartphone market with its exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 overclocked version, officially named the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy smartphones, making the whole S23 line a powerful option for consumers who demand high performance. A verified insider from South Korea, Do-yoon Kim, shared his impressions of the smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. His review was quoted by another trusted source, Ice Universe, who added, "The Galaxy S23 Ultra's objective specs are almost revealed. Let's take a look at some subjective impressions." Do-yoon Kim writes that, in general, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has not received such significant improvements as fans would like. He attributed the new single-chip system, sound, and tactile sensations to the positive aspects. The camera has been the most improved. According to the Do-yoon Kim impressions, I would like to say that the speakers sound the same or slightly better than the speakers on my Galaxy Fold 4 foldable smartphone. In addition, it is clarified that these impressions were obtained during a short acquaintance with a smartphone, so it is not yet clear how long it works in real conditions without recharging. As previously reported, Corning confirms Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra model, promising better protection against falls. The Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the first smartphones to feature Corning's brand new Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The most advanced model in the line will be the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra model, which will be equipped with a top-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 single-chip system, 8 or 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 1 TB of flash memory, 6.8 inches AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels, 5000 mAh battery, support for 45 watts wide charging, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 wireless adapters. Let's talk about camera. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra rear camera modules with a resolution of 200 megapixel, 12 megapixel super wide, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, 10 megapixel periscope module with 10x optical zoom, as well as pre-installed Android 13 operating system with proprietary Shell One UI 5.1 user interface. It is clear that the new Galaxy S23 smartphones will be unveiled on Wednesday, February 1st. Previously, Do-yoon Kim published promotional materials for the Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra models, as well as the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra a year ago, ahead of their official announcement. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.